Well, good morning. Gotta say, that heater is pretty nice. It's already starting to warm up in here. Um, yep, definitely takes the edge off the morning. No, I just gotta get up, get out of the sleeping bag here, take care of some stuff, get my coffee going, and I'll be ready to start the day. Alright, just gotta get that morning coffee here to go going. I already had my breakfast. It was one of those Mountain Ops ammo trail pack. It's like a meal replacement protein shake thing. Okay, really like them, so tastes good. And it's easier than trying to cook oatmeal and probably healthier than donuts. I'm not gonna say as good, but definitely healthier. So let's get some coffee. And I'll get ready to tackle this day. Alright, no reason to watch water boil. I'll come back to it when it's coffee. Alright, well, good morning. I've finished breakfast, kind of got dressed for the day. Just sitting here in the back of the truck with the heater running. Enjoying not being like shivery cold here. Wasn't too bad last night. I think it got down into the low 20s, maybe high teens, so not super cold. But it was nice to fire the heater up and drive the chill out of the truck before I got out of my sleeping bag. Nice to have a nice warm spot here where I don't have to wear gloves while I'm drinking my coffee. So I definitely think that was a excellent add-on. We got some little more work to do. I got to figure out exactly where I want to mount it. If I'm going to kind of permanently mount it somewhere in here or what. And I even bought a fan, but that's from Amazon. That didn't come in time. So hopefully once that comes in, I'll be able to circulate air in here better and kind of push that moisture out. But overall, it wasn't bad night. Super happy and super stoked to see what the day brings for if I see any deer. So cool. I'll check back with you later. I'll finish my coffee and get dressed and get moving. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like something's having a bad day up there. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward and check it out. Well, I'm up here on my ridge top. Not seeing much. Got some blue jays flying around, those wild turkeys. Haven't seen a single deer track in any of this snow, so it's a little discouraging, but who knows, right? Haven't decided which way I'm gonna go, if I'm gonna continue around to the bowl here to the south or kind of go north. I don't know. There's some really cool features to the south, but they're a couple, probably a mile and a half, 2 miles away. Really hard access to if I get anything. So I don't know if I really want to deal with that. So we'll see. We'll see what we got for sign up here, but still just beautiful out here. It's so nice being out here in the woods and getting to enjoy it. I've forgotten how much I enjoyed this stuff. Well, still haven't seen anything. Wild turkey sign. Seen, Christ, I think almost 20 so far. A lot of gray squirrels. Not even a deer track. It's really bizarre. I wonder if I'm just too high up or something. I don't know. It's part of the fun of hunting new terrain. You don't know where they go. But, I'm gonna start poking down low here and just kind of see where it goes. I found this old logging trail road thing here. I'm gonna follow it and see what it looks like and see where it goes. Beautiful river on the other side, or stream, so that might be worth coming back in the spring to do some trout fishing. I have a feeling if I come back here to turkey hunt, all I'm going to see is deer. But yeah, that's the way it goes sometimes. It's still awesome to be out here in the woods. It's very peaceful. Very, very, very peaceful, and I'm enjoying it immensely. All right, well, back at the truck here. Looks like there's going to be a little weather window where it shouldn't be snowing too much, so I'm going to try to cook me some dinner. Really excited about this one. This is a recipe me and Crystal made. We found it on Cooking Over Fire. I'll throw a link in the description for a queso. Obviously, I don't have a campfire, but I'm going to do it on the stovetop right here. I think it'll still be pretty awesome. So it's supposed to be chorizo. All I could find was hot Italian sausage, so I got that, and I got like a kind of a smoky flavor mix. I'll throw some of that in there to get that smoky flavor. It was Velveeta cheese, and then Monterey Jack. I got the jalapeno jack, so I want it to be extra spicy, and then some cheddar as well. I'm adding in a little onion and some garlic because I just like those flavors. And most importantly, it's time to have a Citizen Cider. Another great, that's actually a Vermont cidery. I really like this Wits Up. It's very, very dry and very, very good. I need to get a tailgate cutting board thing there. I definitely need to get one of those because this is starting to become kind of difficult. All right, well, let's get cooking. Smooth. Yep, if I have this chorizo or something sausage, I'll walk over cheese wasn't healthy enough. I'm gonna add more cheese this time. So later. Share on there. And this one. After that, as well. Well, it's getting past sunset here. I'm well done eating. That was one hell of a dinner. Hopefully I'm not going to regret that. But it was really good. There's a bunch left over. I'll have to figure out how to deal with that. Probably deal with it when I get home. But yeah, starting to snow out a little bit more. I'm going to be settling in for the night here in probably another hour or so. I'm going to write my journal, listen to a podcast here, and try to drink some water and stuff. But overall, not much else going on, so I figured I'd do my final check-in. And yeah, what a hell of a day. Saw a lot of wild turkeys, a bunch of gray squirrels, no deer, not even deer tracks, which was kind of a downer, but it doesn't really matter. It was a beautiful day out in the woods, and pretty happy with overall how everything went. Obviously not super happy, because if I was super happy, I'd have a deer hanging, but it's all right. It's not all about getting an animal. Check out some new woods tomorrow, and maybe I'll have some luck. We'll see, right? Thanks again, and see you guys later.